Hello design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your premier destination for all things home decor and design. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the world of architectural grandeur, exploring the captivating realm of modern mansion house design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're setting sail for the serene and stunning world of stylish beach house design ideas. There's something truly magical about living by the sea, and a well-designed beach house captures that magic, bringing the tranquility and beauty of the coast right into your home. If you've ever dreamt of salty air, sun-drenched rooms, and effortless elegance, then this episode is your perfect guide. We'll dive deep into what defines a truly stylish beach house, explore the undeniable benefits of this aesthetic, reveal how to make your exterior shine, and uncover the best design styles to perfectly embody coastal chic. Get ready to embrace the ultimate seaside sanctuary. Stylish beach house design ideas refers to an aesthetic approach that goes beyond mere functionality, aiming to create homes that are not only practical for coastal living but also exude a sophisticated, inviting, and effortlessly chic atmosphere. It's about crafting spaces that deeply connect with their natural surroundings, the ocean, sand, and sky, while incorporating modern comforts and thoughtful design elements. In essence, a stylish beach house design is about creating a tranquil haven that celebrates its seaside location, offering a timeless escape that feels both luxurious and genuinely relaxed. Embracing stylish beach house design ideas offers a multitude of benefits, transforming your coastal property into a sanctuary that enhances your lifestyle and maximizes your connection to the environment. Firstly, these designs inherently promote a sense of calm, relaxation, and well-being. The use of natural light, airy spaces, and soothing color palettes, reminiscent of the ocean and sky, creates an environment that immediately reduces stress and fosters a peaceful atmosphere. Coming home to such a space feels like a constant vacation, offering a much-needed escape from daily pressures. Secondly, stylish beach houses are designed for optimal indoor-outdoor living and breathtaking views. Large windows, expansive sliding doors, and well-appointed decks or balconies are central to this aesthetic. This not only floods the interiors with natural light and fresh air but also maximizes panoramic ocean vistas or scenic coastal landscapes, blurring the lines between your home and its stunning surroundings. Thirdly, they offer durability and low maintenance suited for coastal environments. By thoughtfully selecting materials like weather-resistant siding, durable flooring, such as engineered wood or large-format tiles, and resilient outdoor furniture, stylish beach homes are built to withstand salt air, humidity, and sun exposure. This focus on practical yet beautiful materials means less time on maintenance and more time enjoying the coastal lifestyle. Finally, a well-executed stylish beach house design significantly enhances property value and curb appeal. The demand for coastal properties is always high, and a home that perfectly captures the desirable beach aesthetic, blending elegance with functionality, becomes exceptionally attractive. This thoughtful design showcases an elevated sense of style and a deep appreciation for its unique location, representing a strong investment. The exterior of your stylish beach house is your first impression and crucial for seamlessly integrating your home with its stunning coastal surroundings. It's about combining durability with an inviting, elegant aesthetic. Begin by selecting resilient and visually appealing siding materials. Classic options include natural cedar shingles, which weather beautifully to a soft gray, or durable hardy plank siding for a crisp, painted finish that resists salt and moisture. A fresh coat of paint in a light, coastal-inspired color palette, think crisp whites, soft grays, serene blues, or subtle sandy tones, will immediately evoke a sense of beachfront tranquility. These colors reflect light, keeping the house cooler, and provide a perfect backdrop for the natural environment. Next, prioritize expansive windows and doors to maximize views and light. Large, impact-resistant windows, often with simple, clean frames, are essential for framing the ocean vistas. Consider oversized sliding glass doors or bifold doors that truly open up living areas to outdoor decks or patios, creating that seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Adding subtle architectural details like simple gables, an inviting front porch, or a functional outdoor shower area can enhance curb appeal and practicality. Finally, integrate thoughtful landscaping and outdoor living spaces. Use drought-tolerant, salt-resistant plants that thrive in coastal conditions, such as ornamental grasses, succulents, or native shrubs, to soften the edges of the house and blend it with the natural dunes or beachfront. Create inviting outdoor zones with comfortable, weather-resistant outdoor furniture, perhaps in natural wicker, sleek aluminum, or recycled plastics. Add elements like a fire pit for cool evenings, subtle exterior lighting to highlight architectural features, and perhaps a casual pathway leading directly to the sand, completing the perfect stylish beach house exterior. Now, let's dive into 10 exquisite examples that truly embody the magic and elegance of stylish beach house design. Get ready to be swept away by these coastal masterpieces. One, the coastal modern masterpiece with expansive glass and seamless ocean views. This design showcases the ultimate in beachfront luxury, featuring clean architectural lines, a bright white exterior, and dramatic floor-to-ceiling glass windows and sliding doors that span the entire ocean-facing facade. The design prioritizes unobstructed panoramic views, blurring the lines between the refined interior and the endless horizon, creating a truly immersive coastal experience. 2. The classic Hamptons elegance with gabled roofs and inviting porches. Evoking the timeless charm of East Coast luxury, this beach house features crisp white clapboard or shingle siding, traditional gabled roofs, and an expansive wraparound porch adorned with classic railings. The symmetrical design and clean lines project an air of sophisticated relaxation, perfect for enjoying seaside breezes and entertaining. 3. The rustic chic coastal cabin with natural wood and outdoor shower. This design embraces a more rugged, yet stylish, interpretation, utilizing weathered natural wood siding that blends seamlessly with a sandy landscape. It features simple forms, large windows, and often includes charming outdoor elements like an exposed, open-air shower, emphasizing a laid-back connection to nature and a focus on practical beach living. 4. The Scandinavian-inspired retreat with light wood, minimalist lines, and abundant light. This beach house captures the serene beauty of Nordic design. Its exterior features light-toned natural wood cladding or white painted surfaces, paired with large, simple windows that maximize natural light. The architecture is characterized by clean, uncluttered lines, creating a calm, functional, and effortlessly stylish dwelling. 5. The indoor-outdoor haven with bifold doors and lush landscaping. This design exemplifies seamless integration between inside and out. The core feature is a series of large bifold or sliding glass doors that completely open up the main living areas to an expansive deck or patio. Thoughtful landscaping with coastal-appropriate plants frames the outdoor space, making it a true extension of the home for dining, lounging, and soaking in the views. 6. The Mediterranean-inspired villa with stucco walls and terracotta accents. Drawing from the sun-drenched coasts of the Mediterranean, this beach house features warm, earthy-toned stucco walls, a low-pitched red tile roof, and often arched windows or doorways. Lush, drought-tolerant plantings, perhaps including olive trees or bougainvillea, complete the picture of a charming and timeless seaside retreat. 7. The modern surf shack with industrial touches and expansive decking. This design offers a cooler, more contemporary take on the traditional beach shack. It might feature a mix of materials like corrugated metal accents with natural wood or dark painted siding. An oversized, multi-level wooden deck with direct beach access is often a central element, providing ample space for outdoor living and embracing a laid-back surf culture vibe. 8. The elevated coastal home with pilings and under-house living area. Common in flood-prone or hurricane zones, this stylish design elevates the house on sturdy pilings, providing safety and offering shaded, functional space underneath. This area is often utilized for parking, storage, or as an additional outdoor lounge space, complete with comfortable seating and views framed by the elevated structure. 9. The multi-level terrace design with outdoor entertaining zones. Ideal for sloping coastal sites, this beach house is designed with multiple levels and cascading outdoor terraces or decks. Each tier offers a distinct zone for dining, lounging, or enjoying the view, often connected by elegant outdoor staircases. This design maximizes usable outdoor space and creates dynamic visual interest across the landscape. 10. The Bohemian beach haven with eclectic textures and relaxed furnishings. This style combines a relaxed beach aesthetic with global-inspired bohemian elements. The exterior might feature light-colored siding, perhaps with subtle weathered wood details. Outdoor spaces are filled with layered textiles, natural fiber rugs, comfortable low-slung seating, and an abundance of potted plants, creating a welcoming and free-spirited oasis. As we've journeyed through these incredible examples, it's clear that stylish beach house design is about more than just a location. It's about a lifestyle. It's about crafting a home that reflects the beauty, tranquility, and resilience of the coast, providing a serene escape for all who enter. We hope these ideas have filled your imagination with visions of salty air and effortless elegance. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern mansions house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.